Guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm showing you this house today. I still want to show that it's still some deals here in Cincinnati. It's pretty busy street, as you can see, and it has apartment building back there, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but let's see what's inside. From outside I can see that house probably has some foundation issues. Like it's kind of shifting. Probably would need to go to the basement and see what's going on. And I know about this foundation problems because we're dealing with that one right now. But it's a pretty nice backyard. And this is house outside. I like it so far. Let's see what's inside.
Hold on. Another agent just went in.
Okay.
You can still go in if you want.
Yep.
Okay.
I don't care if it's agent there or not. Okay. So this is included, I believe, right? Okay. So room number 1, room number 2, right? Floor definitely needs some work on it. And you're gonna need to go to the basement. I'm gonna need, be careful, just step on a nail.
You stepped on the nail?
Uh-huh. And this is kitchen. Or what's left of it. Okay. I'm not sure what's happened here, why they remove flooring. So, and what do we have here? Bathroom, right? With some water leaks problems. Okay, ready to go to basement?
Yes.
Let's go to basement, so we're not gonna bother another agent. So we have 2 rooms, 1 bedroom here. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just waiting for a time when I'm gonna fall in the basement. How does it work if you fell in somebody else's house and it's for sale and they don't have insurance? Who is? Okay, we cannot see anything really, right? Do you know how it's works?
How much does it work?
How it's work? Let's say I fall in this house that I'm seeing and I broke my leg.
I don't know. We'll have to talk to them about that.
You never had something like that?
No.
No, this foundation doesn't look bad. Can you show me if there is any cracks? No.
That's fine.
Oh, you didn't see how that Maria is working right now? That she's replacing foundation?
No, I gotta see
Oh
it.
God.
This is horrible.
Oh, you
There's
probably gonna enjoy it. Yeah, this is not a crack.
Yeah.
This is not a crack. Okay. Okay, what we have here? It's like some shift in the floors. And I'm not sure. But this looks solid other than this, right?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Compared to the other stuff we see.
Yeah.
That's a little voltage right there.
That's alright. Little mold. Not a big deal. When are you buying house for yourself?
Monday.
Rental.
Oh, for ourselves?
Yeah, oh, Monday you're closing on yours?
Yes.
Good.
It was supposed to have been yesterday, but
Is it gonna be a celebration?
don't know.
Yeah. Never hire agent who doesn't have house. That's my advice to you guys, but Q is working on it.
Yeah. Hold on, let me see about this other end. I'll be right back.
Sure. Okay, and we are on the 2nd floor, and that's what is here. 1 bedroom, 2-bedroom. I like this house. Now it's interesting to see where this door is leading. And why did they leave it open? It's really strange. There is nothing there. You see? But there is a door. Okay, closet. Ceilings look good. I'm not sure if there is electrical problem or not. So we have 2 rooms. 3 rooms upstairs. So this house can be, whoa. I'm not sure if you can see. But floor is going this way. So I don't know if it needs to be replaced or what's wrong here. And probably house needs more support. And one more bathroom right here. So it's 2 bathrooms, 3 bedroom on the 2nd floor, 1 bedroom on the 1st floor. Not bad.
Closet? Okay.
Yep. I don't know about you, but I like this house. I think it's priced accordingly.
What?
Yep.
Who are you?
Who are you? Yeah, so you have to adjust. You cannot buy houses for 10,000 anymore. So we gonna try to make an offer on this one. Thank you guys. If you like the video or if you like this type of video, please leave a comment below. Thank you.